Hi everyone, welcome back to Quizxp. In this video, we are going to discuss week 1 assignment of programming data structure and algorithms using Python. The due date for this assignment is 10th of August, so make sure to do it by then. And subscribe to our channel for upcoming week assignment answer. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. So for question number 1, what does function return the following function definition? For this, let's what does H27993 returns? So let's check it. Let's run the program and the enter. So it returns the 10. So answer is 10. Question number 2. What is the G60 minus G48 given in the definition of G below of this program? Let's run it. Now the question was G60 minus G48, so let's find the interrupter, so hit enter, so it gives us 2, so the answer is 2. So before moving further, I would like to add, if there are any change in answers, we'll update on our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. You can check our Telegram channel. We give updates regarding NPTEL assignments, answers and internship opportunity and the job opportunity for college students. So make sure to check link in the description and join our Telegram channel. We have already 18,000 subscribers, so make sure to join it. Now moving forward, question number 3. So question number 3, consider the following function f. For this, the function fn gives above returns true for a positive number n if and only if. So let's copy this code, paste it and run it. So let's say we try option C, n is a perfect square, so f of n, so perfect square, let's say it is 25 is a perfect square, so it returns true. So this is our right answer. And if we check for the any odd number, if n is an odd number, so f of 3 is an odd number, so it returns false. So we have the answer is n is a perfect square. Question number 4, consider the following function foo. So we have to find out which of the following is the correct. For this, let me copy the code, paste it here and run it. So it says that the function terminates for non-negative and with a foo n plus 2. So for this, let's say we copy this, paste here, and let's assume we first take a positive number. So let's see if it terminates or not. So I hit the enter, it gives a value. Okay, now let's try with a non-negative. Let's try with a negative option. So it says -9. So the program is giving us error. So the function terminates for non-negative n. For this D is the right answer. And make sure to join our Telegram channel.